And Jim Thompson shakes the First Minister's hand and lifts the trophy high into the air, and Queen of the South have won the Scottish... How much did I have last night?
This is South West Sound, and there's a huge game for Queen of the South coming up, so this is for all the fans out there.
I'm on my way from misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way from misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way to what I want from this world, and years from now you'll make it to the next world, and everything that you receive up yonder is what you give to me the day I wonder. I know that I don't want for anything. I have all jokes and sing, I'm sitting on top of the world. I'll do my best to do the best I can. Yeah, I'll do my best to do the best I can. To keep my feet from jumping from the ground, dear. To keep my heart from jumping through my mouth, dear. To keep the past and not the present. To try and learn when you teach me a lesson. I took a right turning yesterday.
It's left here, Robin.
No, Bruce, it's right.
It's left.
Bruce, the song says it's right.
Just you concentrate on the steering wheel, son.
I took a right turning yesterday. I took the road that brought me to your hometown. I took the bus to streets that I could walk.
I think we've got a problem, Bruce.
Please don't tell me we've run out of fuel. Oh no, Robin! Oh. Hold on a minute. Robin, is that...
That's Tommy!
It's Tommy! Tommy! Stop!
I'm on my way from misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way from misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way.
Boys, sorry, I need to go.
Years from now, you'll make it to the next world, and everything that you receive up yonder is what you give to me the day I wonder.
Alright, so what are we going to do while we're waiting?
I know. Let's recreate a famous moment in Scottish football history.
Alright, you be James McFadden,
You be Michael Landrow.
Q Peter Martin.
McFadden drags it down now. Long way out. Wow, what a goal! What a goal! What a goal by McFadden! Magic from James McFadden! He's a genius again for Scotland! They've been suckered in the Parc des Princes! James McFadden from 40 yards into the roof of the net! Pick it out, Landrow! France 0, Scotland 1!
Lads, what are you doing? Get back in the car.
Sorry, Tommy.
From misery to happiness to thee. I'm on my way to what I want from this world.
Now, Robin, you've got the tickets, haven't you?
Of course I've got the tickets,
Just
Tommy.
check the tickets.
They do say the match is next week.
What? Robin, how could you...
Robin?
Robin!
Tommy sold me them.
What do you mean? We've been out here all this, spending all this time.
Tommy, go back!
Take it to the next world, and everything that you receive up yonder is what you gave to me the day I wonder.